Alrighty, Gene, here's your small block Ford. Give you description of this combination. Got set of brass cast heads on, Edelbrock manifold, obviously EFI, fuel mounted, Terminator X, custom grind hydraulic roller. I got the rear sump Moroso oil pan. Got the blacked out front end kit. Make sure the alternator charges. Go in there and make a run. Since she does, stay tuned. Okie doke, 3,300, 484 foot-pounds of torque, peak torque 491, peak horsepower 475, rated for 450, so everything's good. That's the EFI on top of it. What we'll do now is pull the pipes back, make sure it's good and clean, show you a couple things here. See if your engine find this thing looks like a credit card. It is a USB card. It's full of technical information. In the crate will be this engine spec sheet. Highly recommend kind of reading all that stuff. Have a great day.